of all, I was really excited that I was able to take part in this opportunity. I was really happy that Al Ain Farms really liked my idea and that they wanted to move forward with the incubation stage, so we can start doing the development, and then hopefully it can reach the level of commercialization. So during my incubation stage, I got the chance to visit the farm and to see the inner workings of it, and to have a better idea about the food and beverage industry and what goes behind the scenes in terms of developing a new product and coming up with different ideas, brainstorming, and all these kinds of things. I'm really glad that I have this opportunity to finally start working on my ideas, which I've always had for quite a bit of time. So yeah, I'm really glad that we already started working on one of the products that I initially pitched, and hopefully we will soon finish the development of the first samples, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out.